Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another MBA college in Bangalore. So it's called Surana College, and it's a quite decent college with it's a NAC A plus grade rated institute. So that's why I'm covering, and it has got a good placement record, right? So that's why I'm covering, and it will be it has a lot of courses including PG and UG. I'll cover PG courses, and that also MBA is part of focus of this review, right? And since it's A plus A grade institute, so a good amount of focus has been on the educational part, right? So let's start with about Surana. This college was university part of Karnataka State University Act 2000, and under which it is formed the institution. So this has basically a good amount of infrastructure for holistic development based studies and the curricular activities, right? So that's what before going to the MBA program directly, I will showcase some of the the highlights of the program, how they manage and get good amount of placements, right? So this is again the iteration of the same thing, that it is a NAC A plus grade institute with 3.49 on the scale of 4. So that is quite good. And about the institution, it has around 2000 students, so, and good amount of infrastructure with respect to libraries, and you can see here. And also they do claim a good amount of university ranks 40 plus, right, among MBA and the MCA programs. So those are the two. They have two campuses in Bangalore, so South End campus and the Kangeri campus. South End has most of the bachelor's program except MCOM, and the Kangeri campus, which I am reviewing now, is having a MBA, MCA, and MSc psychology, right? So those are the key programs. So let's focus on the MBA part. So these are the some picture of UG program and the PG program college, right? So which is in Kangeri, right? So for PG program. And this as I said, both the campus are with equipped with good amount of infrastructure facilities. So about the library, so below one is the one for the Kangeri campus for the MBMC program, and it has good amount of softwares like in EasyLib and all associated to give good access to online resources, and 150 seats are part of the library. And now coming to infrastructure part, campus life, the methodology is learning methodology is based on group discussions, interactions, and other industry collaboration. So an amount of infrastructure is also decent in terms of their seminar halls or auditoriums, etc., right? So that provides for students the facilities to excel, right, in terms of the corporate type of environment, right? So this is all about the infrastructure. So specifically MBA program in this college was started in 1999, and this is a full 2-year full-time program, and it has 5 elective streams like a standard marketing, sales, marketing, finance, HR, and all those functions. And intake capacity is around 120. So that's our key highlights of the program. And this program is affiliated to lot of good miles to centers, right? So you have they have membership of AMA and BMA. They have noodle centers in with EDI in Ahmedabad. They have knowledge partners with lot of assessments and other institutions, right? Some of these are mentioned, and some of them are also covered here, right? NSC for different program, running different program. They do have interaction with international universities, so some of them are mentioned here in their visits, right? So regular interactions are there with the global universities on that, and they do have focus on corporate connect also. So part of this, they do organize a lot of corporate visits as well as the industrial visits, right? So this is about talking about since Bangalore is an area of and this particular college is in Pini, in the Komalgudu and that area, right? So those are all industrial areas. So a lot of good industrial visits are part of the curriculum in Bangalore, right? So I'll also show some of them with respect to this is Coca-Cola visit, right? So for the MBA pro students, right, in the Biddi plant of Coca-Cola. So that is what photo it is correct, right? Apart from that, this one is for the Akshay Patra, right, part of ISKCON organization, right, where they have a student visit. This is, with the MBA program in Goa, right, we have a 6-day visit. We visited the Goa plant of Microlab, which is a pharmaceutical company, and they do have a lot of outbound trainings also part of this, and they have a good access to academic clubs they have made, and for the co-curricular clubs basically for another part of academy, students extracurricular activities development. So this is one such club called Esoteric Club in their campus. They have Sadhana. This is one of those IT club, and similarly Srujana. So many of them are there. I'm not going to cover much. Coming to the eligibility part of it, now for the program, it's like through take through CAT, MAT, CMAT, KMAT, and PG set, right? So this is specifically for PG set review which I am doing, and the criteria is same, 50% marks in your graduation, and that is what the focus area. In the MBA program offers the standard 4-semester program, but apart from that they give value to value-added programs, so you get certification in digital marketing, business analytics, and all those things which are additional to your CV. Now coming to the placement part, this is a MBA, so good number of companies visit this campus, and that's why I'm saying it is an excellent placement, and the higher salaries are much higher than other good colleges in Bangalore, and the cutoff is very low. So this provides students for good opportunities to get in easily into this college, but also good access to these companies, right? This, for example, this is last year's placement statistic, and you see the highest salary is 70 lakhs in SAP, Cyber Group 15 lakhs, Tech Mahindra 14 lakhs. So you can understand that the amount of salary, higher salaries in this college for MBA are much more than the other college, even the top 10 and 20. This is what they have given the figure. These are some more higher salaries. You see Oracle 12 lakhs, Northern Trust 7 lakhs, Manjushri Technopark 6 lakhs, Accenture 6 lakhs, and Neo Growth 6 lakhs. So you can see there are not a single company, multiple companies are visiting this college, and they are giving some of the higher salaries, right, which are about even 10 lakhs to 17 lakhs, which is very much not there in every company. This is for PinClick, right? So you see PinClick salary is 5.16 lakhs, but the number of students who are recruited here are 9, right? So this is quite good. 9 students in a single company, 5.5 lakh, because it's a college with a low cutoff, right? So this is another company, so it's a Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, and you see 5 more students got placed. So this looks like to be a decent placement. I will not say it will 100%. None of the college has a 100% placement. It will be 40-50%. But at the lower rank, this is a very good option you have, and you have at least capability to get into the higher placement band, right, which is here. So I'll suggest people who are interested or have the rank around 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, those, that will be the range where this college will fit into, and you can opt for that. So that's all I have. If you have any other question, please write to me, and thank you for watching this, and please don't forget to follow up this channel as well as like the video. It will be helpful.